In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Hostinger domain to Netlify. This is a straightforward process that should only take you about 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, I'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth setup. First, let's head over to Hostinger. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Hostinger panel interface. The first thing you'll want to do is click on Domains, which you'll find in the main navigation area. This is where you'll manage all the domains you've registered with Hostinger. Next, locate the domain you wish to connect with Netlify. Next to the domain name, you should see an option to manage. Click on this to proceed. This will take you to a page where you can find crucial information about your domain. At the top of this page, you'll see your domain name. Go ahead and copy it, as we'll need this information for the next few steps. Now, let's switch over to Netlify. Once you're logged into your Netlify account, look for the option to add or register domain. This is typically in the domain section under your team settings. Click on it and you'll be given two options. Since you already own a domain, select add a domain you already own. You'll be prompted to paste the domain name you copied earlier from Hostinger. Do so in the provided field. After pasting it, choose the verify option to ensure everything's in order with your domain settings. Following verification, you'll need to click Add Domain to confirm the addition to your Netlify account. The next screen will invite you to continue setting up your domain. Simply click Continue, and you'll be redirected to a page displaying the name servers for your domain. It is vital to copy these name servers precisely, as this will ensure your domain links correctly with Netlify. With those copied, let's head back to Hostinger, navigate back to the DNS name servers settings for your domain. Here, you should see an option that says Change Name Servers. Click on this, and you'll be taken to a field where you can paste the name servers obtained from Netlify. Paste the servers here, replacing the default Hostinger name servers. Double check to ensure everything's accurate because any typos could prevent your domain from linking properly. Once you've confirmed they are correct, save these changes, and there you have it. You've successfully connected your Hostinger domain to Netlify. The domain changes might take some time to propagate fully, so give it a while if you don't see immediate changes. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out through the comments section below. Happy hosting!